Hello friends. Today I'm going to tell you how you can recover your deleted pictures from your Android device. You must be thinking, how is it possible? Yes, my friends, it is actually possible. So let's find out. So first of all, open Play Store on your Android device and search for Discigger Photo Recovery app, and you'll see this application. Install it on your device. And you'll see this kind of interface. Now here you'll see two options, Basic Scan and Root Scan. So click on Start Basic Photo Scan. It will ask permission to access your photos in gallery. Just press Allow. Be sure it is safe. It will just take 1 or 2 minutes to scan. As you can see, it has started generating all the pictures that were saved on your phone. Just click on Recover button on top of screen. You'll have 3 options how you want to get these pictures. Click on the second option and choose where you have to save them. And that's it. You'll get all your deleted photos saved again on your phone. Isn't it great?
Oh my God! Wow!
So friends, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Khatam. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye. Gaya.